Unlock the key and remove all the pieces from the frame. This is a Mini Lock 2 puzzle. It is level 6 difficulties on a scale from 5 to 10. In the Mini Lock 2 puzzle, the goal is to unlock the key and remove all of the pieces from the frame. To start off with, you're going to push it to the back and lift up the shackle. Now, once the shackle is lifted up, you can pull it back down a little bit further and pull your key off to the side. Once the key is off to the side, then you can lift the shackle up even further. You can pull the key back inside and lift it out of the front of the puzzle. Now that you have the key unlocked, just remove the rest of the pieces. Keeping the shackle and one of those blue pieces up at the top, you can easily remove the bottom piece. Next, push your shackle back down, push the blue piece back down, and now lift the shackle out of the puzzle. And lastly, remove the blue piece from the puzzle. Now that all the pieces are removed, half the battle is putting them back inside. To start off with, put this blue piece here, take your shackle, insert it through the top and down through the middle of that blue piece. Then you can lift up the blue piece up into that top cutout there in the middle of the puzzle. Take this blue piece, remembering that we have the solid piece at the front of the puzzle, insert it in, take the key, insert in here, push it all the way to the back of the puzzle, off to the right hand side. Now you can push the shackle back down, pull the key back in, push the blue piece back down, pull the blue piece back in, lock the shackle, and now all the pieces are locked back into the mini lock. If you want to get this puzzle for yourself, go get it at puzzlemaster.ca.